You show me what train you're doing here. You gonna tell me about it?
I don't know how many cars there is.
No? You have quite the setup here, buddy.
9 cars.
9 cars? Okay. What about these little guys down here? You got a fire truck. You got an ambulance. What are these little ones? Wow. Poor kid's taking a sick day today, but he absolutely loves playing with his trains. Huh, Braylen?
Yes.
Yes, you do. I know you're a big fan. He's very creative. I love the building. You gotta love that. Here, you want to run one of them and tell me which one it is?
This one, first one I'm putting on is a Santa Fe.
Yeah. I love it. Let's have a seat. Oh, front light's on. Is that the front or the back?
The front. There's 2 lights. Oh.
Oh, there we go. And what kind of Santa Fe is this?
It is a, let me take a look. A 300.
Whoop, disconnect. And then we got the train to nowhere over here, but I'm sure we'll fix it.
This always happens.
What always happens?
It derails.
It derails.
It just sometimes does.
Yeah. You're the 6-year-old expert on all of this.
Just gotta get something more.
Yep, we are full of this stuff, I'll tell you. Look at you go. Your papa will be very proud of you. You gonna give me a smile?
No.
No, okay. Yeah, we're both taking a sick day today. Unfortunately, we have colds, but I think it's a really fun opportunity just to show what Braylen's favorite hobby is. I think he's going to be a train conductor someday. Huh, buddy?
Yes.
Yeah? Or are you going to work?
I don't know.
Okay. This is Braylen's Train City.